Guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Timmy TV and I'm Rachel Emamotimi Elijah. Alright, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a simple body butter for skin building. Okay, you know, skin building is very essential part of skincare. The importance of skin building cannot be overemphasized, especially when you are in your skin lightening journey. So we're making use of a few ingredients here. You can do this simple DIY at home with your papaya oil. Here we have papaya oil, snail argan oil, rosehip oil, almond oil, and vitamin E oil. We have shea butter here, and this is our mango butter. You can use any butter of your choice. You can use cocoa butter, you can use shea butter, you can use mango butter. You can as well mix them together if you want. But in this video, I'll be making use of just mango butter. You can as well use essential oil mix to skin build, but do not apply essential oils directly without diluting them in carrier oil like avocado oil, lemon oil, almond oil, coconut oil, but your choice of oil must be based on the properties. Okay, a blend of oil that stimulates collagen and skin repair is something you should look at for in making your body butter or your essential oil mix for skin building. But my favorite oil for skin building are snail argan oil. We have normal argan oil and snail argan oil. If you do your research and you understand more what snail slime can do for you in your skincare, then snail argan oil is very, very good. Okay, and also you should understand that when skin building, you don't need to apply your lightening product, so you can get the best out of your skin building butter. When skin building, it means you have to take a break from using your lightening soap, your lightening cream, and your lightening scrub. Anything that has lightening property in it, you don't use it at that point in time. So snail argan oil is very good. It helps to treat a number of skin conditions. It prevents and reduces stretch mark. If you are formulating a stretch mark product, snail argan oil is a must. It's a must in your ingredient. It also has anti-aging effect. It helps to moisturize the skin and protect the skin from sun damage. That's what your snail argan oil will do for you. And our almond oil is good for hair and skin. If you are formulating your hair care product, argan oil is very good. It has so many hair benefits. But for skincare, we'll be using it because it contains anti-inflammatory and immunity boosting properties. Every time you apply almond oil to your skin, you are a little closer to ridding yourself of irritation and stretch mark and saying hello to hydrating and a beautiful glowing skin. Almond oil, it's very good. It also helps in skin rejuvenation. Okay, if you want to have that brighter skin, glowing skin, almond oil is good for you. It also helps to even skin too. It serves as sun protection. It reduces stretch mark. It hydrates the skin and reduces skin irritation. It also calms inflammation. Now you see why we need this in our body butter for skin building. We also have rosehip oil. This is my favorite oil in my facial when I'm making my facial product. Rosehip oil is good for face. It helps to clear dark circles, acne, and anti-aging. For your skin, it's going to brighten your skin because rosehip oil has skin brightening properties. It also helps in firming the skin. It fades scar. It has exfoliating properties. It treats wrinkle, and it also helps in moisturizing your skin. And papaya seed oil is very good because it has skin brightening properties. It helps to reduce hyperpigmentation. It fights acne. It helps in anti-inflammation, and it's a natural exfoliant. So using papaya oil in this body butter is going to help give you a lightening effect. Okay, it's going to help brighten your skin. Some people say butter makes them dark, but it depends on what you mix in it. Remember, we're doing skin building and we don't want whitening product, we don't want to lighten, but this is just going to give you a bright effect, just like a turmeric oil. And we have our vitamin E. Vitamin E is very important in skin care because it has anti-aging properties and it also helps to reduce sun damage. Of course, it is a good antioxidant. And I told you I'll be making use of my mango butter. Mango butter. Remember, these butters, we have the refined and the unrefined butters. I would advise you when doing your DIY bodybuilding butter, use the unrefined butters. However, they may have some kind of unpleasant smell, but if you are not too comfortable with it, then you can go for the refined butters. For this formulation, I'll be using my mango butter. Mango butter is good for hair and skin. It is a type of butter made from mango seed. It helps in nourishing your skin and moisturizing your skin without making it greasy. You know, it's similar to your mango, your shea butter, your cocoa butter, and all of that. So let's go straight into the formulation. You need a bowl. This is my bowl. This is my butter. This is a simple DIY you can do at home to skin build. And I'll be adding in my snail agan oil, just few drops. Just gonna add this in. Also, I'm gonna take a few drops of my rosehip oil. I'm gonna leave the measurement in the description box for you. Also, you can add python fat. You know, some people call it boa oil. It's also good. It helps to take care of any scar you have on your skin, and it will also help to address the issue of stretch marks. Skin beauty helps you to pamper your skin, make your skin strong again and healthy. You know, it makes the skin good and ready to absorb lightening product again. If you use lightening product always without skin building, you will have thin skin, you will have green vein, you will have stretch mark. Remember, this is our papaya oil I'm adding in. Remember, you having green vein when using lightening product doesn't mean it's caused by the lightening product. It depends on the degree of the green vein. It depends on how serious the green vein is. You know, green vein has grade. When you have green vein, it means your lightening product is working for you. Green vein is natural. It's not something that's so strange. But when it becomes more than the natural, then you know something is wrong when it gets out of control. So if it's just mild green vein, it's okay. You shouldn't be scared. But when you see it's so serious, like those spider vein everywhere, you're even having red veins too, then you know something, blue veins, you know something is wrong. So this is it. Skin building helps to improve the elasticity of your skin. So you just put in your oils, don't add too much. One thing about mango butter and cocoa butter is that it's easy to just mix, unlike shea butter. So you just add a blend of your oil, don't add too much. Mix everything together and then use it at night. Remember, you can skin build 3 times a week and then apply your lightening lotion 4 times a week. Okay, as you can use 3 days to skin build and 4 days for your lightening product. If you have boa oil, python fat, you can add a little to this. I'll put the link. I did a review on that boa oil, that python fat, on this channel. I'll put the link in the description box. This smells so nice, and if you need your fragrance, don't add. You can, your choice of oil will serve as fragrance for you. So you can use any nice oil here, okay, with the fragrance. So your body butter will smell nice. Don't add perfume to your product, it can irritate the skin. Use essential oils instead. So that is it about this body butter. If you find this video interesting, please click on the like button and share this video. Just share it with your friends, share it on your social media platform. If you're stopping by for the first time, please, you're welcome to this family. Kindly click on the subscribe button and the notification bell whenever you get updates each time I upload a video. To our existing subscribers, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing and being part of this family. See you in my next video. Bye.